Dear students, you are welcome to the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is about Pythagoras' theorem. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to click the bell to stay notified. In this lesson, we will define the concept of Pythagoras' theorem and you will learn how to prove Pythagoras' theorem. Finally, you will be able to deduce the converse of Pythagoras' theorem. The concept of Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagorean theorem is a well-known geometric theorem which states that the sum of the squares on the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square on the hypotenuse. We call sides A and B legs, while C, which is the side opposite to the right angle of the right triangle, called hypotenuse. In such manner, C square will equal to A square plus B square, and this is called Pythagoras theorem. The origin or the proof of Pythagoras theorem. If you draw a square from each side of a right triangle, then the area of the square drawn by the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the other two squares. يعني إذا رسمنا 3 squares from each side of a right triangle, السكوير اللي مرسوم من الهايبوتنيوس الاريا تاعيته هتكون بتساوي sum of two areas اللي مرسومين from the other legs. نحن بنعرف أكيد لأنه side of squares هن equal لبعض so الاريا هتكون بتساوي side square أو A square هيكون بيساوي B square plus C square. إذا برهنا هذا الشيء هنكون برهنا الفيثاغورس theorem. So A equal to 5, B equal to 4, and C equal to 3. So A1 should be equal to A2 plus A3. Let's see that. 5 square does equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 5 square equal 25 equal to 16 plus 9. So 25 equal to 25. And the theorem is proved. طبعا نحن بنعرف لأنه ال A square زي ما قلنا قبل وال A2 square وال A3 square هيكونوا بيساووا side squares هتكون بتساوي هون ال 5 square equal to 4 square plus 3 square لأنه ال area للسكوير equal to side times side يعني side square. والفيثاغورس theorem شو بتقولنا؟ بتقولنا الهايبوتنيوس هيكون بيساوي hypotenuse square هيكون بيساوي sum للlegs square. فعوضنا هون الايكويشن عوضنا الارقام بالايكويشن طلع لنا هذا الشيء مظبوط لما عوضنا 5 3 and 4. Applications. Calculate the area of the square. بدنا نحسب الاريا للشيدد square. بما انه عندنا right triangle so we can use Pythagoras theorem. And we can write 12 square equal to 8 square plus x square. هاي x square شو بتمثل؟ area of the square of this given square equal to x times x which is x square. يعني فينا نعوض ال x square بالفيثاغورس theorem ونكتب انه هي الاريا. So 12 square equal ل 8 square plus a. 144 equal to 64 plus a and a will equal to 80 centimeter square. Let's solve another example. Calculate the area A2. We know that the area of triangle equal to height times base over 2. Here we have the value of its base, but we don't have its height. But at the same time, the height of this triangle is shared with another right triangle with two sides 6 and 4. So we can apply here the Pythagoras theorem to get the value of h. And we can write 6 square equal to 4 square plus h square. So 36 minus 16 equal to h square. And h will be equal to radical 20. حطينا سكوير روت كرمال نروح السكوير. حطينا الراديكال لنروح السكوير. لأنه نحن بدنا الفاليو للاتش مش للاتش سكوير. كثير خلينا نكون منتبهين. So A will be equal to 6 البيز times the h radical 20 over 2 which is equal to 3 radical 20 centimeter square. Now let's take the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorean theorem converse states that if the square of the longest side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right triangle. نحن بالعادي كنا نقول البيثاغورس theorem بتقولنا بالرايت triangle. يعني نحن كان يكون عندنا given انه هذا التريانجل for example ABC هو right triangle، كنا نقول C square equal A square plus B square. هلا العكس، هلا اذا التريانجل ما بنعرف الكاين تبعه شو هو، isosceles right isosceles right triangle semi equilateral equilateral ما بنعرف النوع شو هو، نطلع على السايدز. نحن اذا واحد من السايدز بيكون بيساوي للsum of the other two sides square، حيكون هذا التريانجل right triangle وحيكون السايد الأطول هو الهايبوتينيوس. So if C square here equal to A square plus B square, then ABC is a right triangle at A. طبعا ليش at A؟ لأنه 90 حتكون هي الأوبوزيت للهايبوتينيوس زي ما كان الهايبوتينيوس opposite لل 90. Application 1. In a triangle ABC, AB equal 8 cm, AC 6 cm, and BC equal 10 cm. We want to show that triangle ABC is a right triangle at A. ننبرهن إنه هذا التريانجل ABC هو right triangle. So longest side هو واضح لنا ال BC. BC equal 10 cm. حنشوف هل BC square equal لل AB square plus AC square. So 10 square equal ل 8 square plus 6 square. So 100 equal to 64 plus 36. 100 equal to 100. So the Pythagorean theorem here is proved. And we can say that ABC is a right triangle at point A. Application 2. In a right triangle ABC, AB equal to 8 cm and AC equal to 6 cm. We want to calculate the length of sides BD, just BD, and VE. We know the length of AB, so we can subtract the length AB from the length of AD. And we will get in this case the length of BD. We will do the same to calculate the length BE. But here we don't have the total length of BC, so we should calculate it. And we know it's obvious that BC is the hypotenuse for triangle ABC. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate the length of BC. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square equal to 8 square AB square plus 6 square. So BC أكيد نحن بدنا نحسب ال BC ما بدنا BC square. So we write BC equal to square root 8 square هي 64, 6 square هي 36. So BC equal to radical 100, radical 100 equal to 10. So BC equal to 10 centimeter. And in this case, BE will be equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7 centimeter. We do the same for BD, but here we have the length of AB, so we can directly subtract it, and we write BD equal to 6 centimeter. In the second part, we want to show that triangle BD is a right triangle at angle D. So we have calculated the length of BE and BD, and the length of side ED is already given. So we only need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. The longest side is BE. So we write BE square. Does it equal to DE square plus DB square? We only need to substitute the given values for each side. So BE equal to 7 centimeters. So we write 7 square. DE equal to radical 13. We write radical 13 all square, of course. And DB equal to 6 centimeters. So we write 6 square. So 49 equal to 13. أكيد السكوير بتروح مع الراديكال. Plus 36. Does it equal for that? Of course, 49 will be equal to the sum of 13 and 36. So we can say that triangle BED is a right triangle at angle D. Thank you guys for watching. Try to contact with me if you have any question. Best of luck. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.